Today we're going to read a book called I Can Change Matter by Frances Spencer. This is a nonfiction book that's going to teach you all about something. As I'm reading the book to you today, boys and girls, listen to the key details, and you can find out what the book is all about. That's called the main topic. Let's get started. Look all around. Matter is everywhere. I see people, I see water, I see buildings, I see fountains, and I see the walkway. Is that matter? You're right. Matter is everything you can see. Matter is everything we can taste, touch, or smell. Let's look at the pictures. An apple must be matter, water, and flowers. Matter has weight and takes up space. Wow, when I look at the picture, I see the girl in the ball pit, and she weighs something. She can get on a scale and weigh herself, and she's taking up space in the balls. Matter can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. We can change the shape of some matter. Look at the picture. Can you see the ways that matter can be changed? Paper is matter. If we tear, fold, or crumple paper, we can change its shape. Here's a picture for tearing paper, crumple, and fold. Wow, I'm learning a lot of information about matter in this nonfiction book today. Clay is matter. We can roll it flat or make it into a bowl. We can change its shape. Wow, lots of things are changing shape in this book all about matter. The paper changed shape, the can changed shape, and now the Play-Doh is changing its shape. A cookie is matter. How would you change its shape? Yum, yum, I have some ideas. What idea do you have? Boys and girls, today we learned a lot about how we can change matter. What I'd like for you to do is to tell your teacher something you learned today in this book. You can make a video and send it to your teacher on Seesaw or Dojo, whichever one your class uses. Tell your teacher something you learned about matter and how you can change it.